In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box of Epson WorkForce 110 printer. When you buy this printer you get an extra maintenance box, and now go to the base of the printer. So we have to open this section. That is the maintenance box here. Remove the old maintenance box. You just push it one side, take it out, and then place the new maintenance box. You don't have to do anything, don't break any seal or anything, just install it here. And now you can just close it. You can go to the printer display panel. Switch it on back. So the maintenance box is just on this side, so this will show up here, the reading, and this way we can replace the maintenance box of this printer. Thanks for watching.